regular baked chicken, the key is lemon. Regular baked chicken. No, not a whole lot of seasoning, but lemon. To me, I don't know. Some people different. And then if it's a little bit too bland because of the lemon, use a hot sauce. So more. Let's keep it. It's a bad ass light right there, man. That's my phone. How do I put a fucking light in? Hey, brother. Stop it, please.